Hi, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our brand new Sea Ray 250 SDX IO. Right now I'm on the spacious swim platform. It also has a submersible platform that goes under the water. Easy way to get on and off the boat, where you can kind of hang out in the water on it. Back here on our sun pad, we have 2 spots for USBs, as well as you got your convertible backrest. This is actually making it so you can face aft right now. And we have a large storage compartment for any tubes or skis. And I'll take you right here through our transom walkthrough. We got a cooler here, as well as we got some more storage under there. And this is nice, you got a gate here too, and your battery switches. And I'll take you right inside the cockpit. All right, here we're in the spacious cockpit. We got tons of seating under the seating as well. We have storage. This is actually where part of your tables go. And a nice removable cooler in there. This boat has the option of the infinity woven vinyl flooring, just snap in. We got our wakeboard arch here, the mini top that folds out. It's nice. As you can see back here, I converted the seating so you can sit forward when you're underway. All the seating is kind of convertible in that sense. You can sit back here. When you're underway, you sit forward. It's nice options on this boat. At our helm here, we got a flip up thigh rise bolster, as well as our Simrad with vessel view. Got a tilt steering wheel, fusion radio, and we got a spacious head compartment under here with a little walk-in glove box, which is nice. And right here in the bow, you have some nice seating. You can sit facing forward or sit facing aft. Got a nice grab rail for safety. Another removable cooler for those days at the sandbar. And another great sandbar item. Your forward boarding ladder. So when you beach it up, you don't have to step in where it's deep and walk around with all your stuff. Up here as well, you can take a look at the wraparound windshield. So close off. Help you out on those colder days, extend your season. Again, this has been Lars Pearson here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey with MarineMax. Give us a call at 609-207-3325 if you have a question about this boat or any other boat we have here in our inventory.